Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Subaru Outback window. First, identify which window needs attention. Make sure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but the engine doesn't need to be running. Then, locate the specific window control switch for the window you're working on. This process is straightforward and can often resolve minor window operation issues, saving you a trip to the service center. Now, let's get into the reset procedure. Begin by fully lowering the problematic window. Once it's all the way down, continue to hold the window switch in the down position for an additional 3 to 5 seconds. This step helps the system recognize the window's lowest point. After that, raise the window completely, ensuring it's fully closed at the top. To finalize the reset, once the window is fully closed, continue to hold the window switch in the up position for another 3 to 5 seconds. This action helps the system learn the window's upper limit. After holding, release the switch and test the window's automatic up and down functions. If the window still isn't operating as expected, simply repeat these steps from the beginning. Sometimes, a window issue might not be just a reset problem. Always check for any physical obstructions in the window's track, like debris or dirt, which can prevent smooth operation. If a reset doesn't work, consider inspecting the vehicle's fuse box for a blown window fuse. For persistent or more complex issues, it's always best to consult a qualified Subaru technician to ensure proper diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.